simple connection. I'm just going to share. To connect to a power supply just directly to USB is be easy. From battery directly to the controller. Controller has a simple USB build. So what I'm doing is I'm charging directly to my iPhone. You can see my phone is start charging. So if I unplug and plug it back, now it's charging. So you no need to have inverter to charge, because the USB is good enough to charge a phone. However, you can use inverter, from battery to inverter to turn on light. So example, in this case I want to turn on inverter of my night light, that light. So ignore my son. So that's the light. I'm turning on the inverter. Now turn off, turn on, turn off.